Just a quick reminder on how to check feedback when you are submitting your formative assignments for feedback so that you can improve on your assessment piece. So you completed an assignment that was a practice assignment on Krista and Lexi and applying a social science theory. I wanted to show you the two places that you should look for that feedback so that you can improve your assignment when you hand it in for marking. So the practice assignment was not for marks, but for feedback. So you'll see, please see Dropbox attachment, and there's questions posed at the end of your assignment. So I've given you a little bit of direction. So I just wanted to show you where you can find that. When you go into the Dropbox, when I work on my iPad to give you feedback, that you can actually see it, the feedback that I've written on there. So here's your practice assignment you submitted, and that when I do it on my iPad, you'll actually see feedback and then you can read it. When you're looking at it, you will see what you submitted down below. And up top is what I have submitted. Now, for some of you, it may look a little bit different. I may have written on it. I have a stylus pen that I can identify here. And down below is, I've made some comments here, and it's corresponding with these down here. So I just wanted to show you where you can find that feedback and hopefully use some of that feedback to improve on your assignment that is due today. Good luck.